First look of Xiaomi Mi A2. Last September, Xiaomi took its Mi 5X, loaded it with stock Android One, and sold it globally as the Xiaomi Mi A1. It quickly proved itself to be one of the best mid-range smartphones of the year, and now we have our first look at its successor. A device recently passed through the TENA in China with the model number M180-4D2SE, and for all intents and purposes, it's expected that the phone in question is the Xiaomi Mi 6X or Mi A2. The TENA listing reveals that the Mi A2 will feature a very similar design compared to last year's Mi A1, and at least one of its color options will be this striking red variant that I absolutely love. The Mi A2 will boast a 5.99-inch display with an 18:9 aspect ratio, and when you combine this with considerably slimmer bezels, we should end up with a much more modern-looking phone compared to the Mi A1. It's also noted that the phone will ship with a 2910 mAh battery, slightly smaller than the Mi A1's 3080 mAh unit, and feature dimensions of 158.88 by 75.54 by 7.3 mm. There's currently no word on pricing or availability for the Mi 6X or Mi A2, however, we still don't know other details like chipset, RAM, storage and camera specifics. Since the device is listed on the certification website, it is possible that the smartphone is ready to hit mass production, and might be launching very soon. We will let you know once we learn more about the Mi 6X. The phone might also be introduced outside China as Mi A2. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more updates in future, and also like and share this video.